Hey guys, so had to switch to the iPhone again because the camera battery died. So I'm going to show you how these things compare with their dust collection. Right here, there it is. Take out that tank. Got this tank. Alright. And let's see. Okay, a little bit of dust collection on there. And I think we just pop this out like so. Just kind of pull up on these tabs, and you do the same right here. Alright, let's see the V5 Pro first. Now this room has already basically been cleaned, but this is just a run through of both of them just to see how they do. So that's that. Put it in the white. And this is a V7. Yuck. Alright, so definitely a lot more dust collected in the V7 than the V5 Pro. And that makes sense because it has a spinning, rotating brush. So I'm really happy with that amount of dust. So we're going to just toss that now. You can see all the other dust we've collected. Spilling one-handed. And it just fell out, didn't really have to tap it out. So that was that one. And here's the V5 Pro. Gonna have to tap some of that out. Yeah, but the V7 is the winner by a lot for dust pickup. So. And sorry I couldn't see which battery lasted longer, but my camera has like a 12-minute auto shut off, and it's just really been a pain to keep coming around and turning it on every 12 minutes for, you know, a 90 or 2 hour session, 90-minute or 2 hour session. So there you go. I would say that the V7 wins the dust collecting category, and I would say for these prices, these are definitely worth getting. And I'm going to assemble this back, and just ask me any questions in the comments. Thanks.